हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। वेलकम टू अंकल्स टॉक शो। अंकल काफ़ी दिनों के बाद जो है वो दोबारा से ये सिलसिला शुरू कर रहे हैं वीडियो का। जिस तरह से अभी पाकिस्तान में जो करंट माहौल बना हुआ है कि वॉर हिस्टीरिया बना हुआ है दोनों तरफ, इंडिया पाकिस्तान में काफ़ी एक मीडिया की जंग जारी है और अभी कोई फ़िज़िकल ऐसी स्ट्राइक नहीं हुई है या कोई जिस तरह से जो है वो बोला जा रहा है मीडिया के अंदर। तो आपकी क्या ऑब्ज़र्वेशन है और आप इसको किस तरह से देखते हैं? ये सलूशन की तरफ जा सकते हैं या पाकिस्तान के अलावा दूसरे जो बैनुल अक़वामी ममालिक हैं जैसे अमेरिका है और इंग्लैंड है और भी यूरोपियन ममालिक हैं, वो क्या अपना रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं? जी हाँ।
Well, I would speak in English for the international world and for the educated crowd of Pakistan. We all speak English, I believe, and I don't mind giving this comment or this video in English. First of all, let's touch the ground reality. There is no war between Pakistan and India. And I don't think so. In my fair opinion, it's going to happen. I don't see the balance between the two countries. India is constantly working on its goals, where on the contrary, they are not working at all at our goals. That's pretty shameful. Watch out there. Index, finance index, their reserves, their foreign policy. I'm not saying that I am going to talk in favor of India. I am a Pakistani and I feel ashamed of being deceived by the government officials and the government agencies. All falsehood. What you people are trying to build for Pakistan? Making it a joke? Or have you already planned to finish this country? It looks like, because there is no order in your planning, in your statement, in your foreign policy, in your economy, and the unrest of the people. The people are almost sick. You are not ready for war. Don't do hanky-panky. You understand? North American word. Don't do hanky. We are all adults. Talk like adults. Talking to the government and to the agencies and to the intelligence agencies. Show some respect to the intelligence of the world. The world is a structure. You are a part of it. You are not alone, and you cannot decide what you only want. There are 270 countries around the world. We have to keep moving this elastic and the elasticity of this bend the limits and your way to deal with the world. You can say that you are a good military or the army or a great air force, but are you, honestly speaking, are you in a position to make a war? What will you earn out of that war? Huh? You think India is going to let you win the war? Huh? Do you think so? Do you think that? Have you noticed what your individuals are doing? How is the condition of your nation? How is the economy of a common man in your country? I don't think so. Please, please, please don't make a bubble and don't put people in it like toys. Don't make this kind of nuisance around. I'm a senior citizen of Pakistan. I have been around and I know the policies, how the world thinks. You should tell to the people how you think, how sincere you are, how fair you are, how loyal you are to your own people. You are full of shit. If you don't mind what I'm saying, you are really full of shit. And that's what the world is doing to you. Giving you just the right dose, what you deserve. Don't do that. You are going to lose many, many things. Be calm, be peaceful, and wipe out the concept of getting into the war. You are not ready. I should speak you the truth. And I'm honest to my country, loyal to my country. I'm not a traitor. So, you don't be one. Don't damage Pakistan. Pakistan is passing through a very, very bad time. Don't you forget that. Thank you very much. And we talk on this topic in detail with data. Pakistan Zindabad.